Very good morning, class 10th. Welcome to English Literature period. Dear students, yesterday I summarized this lesson, The Sermon at Banaras, from your first book, First Flight. Today I will give you explanation of this lesson, passage by passage. So let's start reading the passage and get explanation. First passage I am showing before you on the screen. Please try to be on the line. Gautam Buddha began life as a prince named Siddhartha. Siddhartha Gautam. In northern India, at 12 he was sent away for schooling in the Hindu sacred scriptures, and 4 years later he returned home to marry a prince. Marry a princess. They had a son and lived for 10 years as befitted royalty. Gautam Buddha. Perhaps you would have heard about Gautam Buddha. Gautam Buddha, his childhood name was Siddhartha. He was known Prince Siddhartha in his childhood, and he began his life as a royal prince living in the palace. In this lesson, it has not been written about his previous life, but I am telling you what a sage hermit predicted, that he will become a great saint. But if he was kept away from worldly sorrow, suffering, and pain, surely he may become a great king of the world. Not a simple king. With this thought, his father, King Suddhodana, tried tried to keep him away from those odd conditions. But no one can delete what has been written in destiny, in luck. Read this point here. When he became 12 years old, he was sent for schooling in the Hindu sacred scriptures. Please highlight these words. Where was he sent for schooling? This line should be highlighted and create a question. 4 years later, he returned home. Means in 16 years, after completing 16 years of his life, he returned and married a princess named Yasodhara. Mark the point. His wife's name was Yasodhara. Prince Siddharth, his wife Yasodhara lived together very happily in the palace. After a few years, they got a son. They named him Rahul. For 10 years, they lived their life comfortably, loyalty in the palace. At the age of 25 years, Prince Siddhartha, as he got a message by the god and goddess in Pharma Bind. This story I will tell you whenever you will be in the class because it is very lengthy. Prince Siddhartha expressed his desire of hunting before his father. He was allowed. Prince set about for making tour of the palace. In first chance, he noticed a sick man, old man. In second chance, a funeral procession, his dead body was being carried by the people. A beggar also. These sights moved the priest very badly. He was affected very badly, very deeply by those scenes, those sights. Finally, he made up his mind to leave the family in the palace. And one day, at midnight, he left his family, set about for the world, went out into the world to seek, please pay attention on the line, to seek enlightenment concerning the sorrows he had witnessed. He wandered for 7 years and finally sat down under a fig tree where he would to stay until enlightenment came. Just I told you, after leaving his family in the palace, he set about for the world. For what? To get reality. To get reality what he witnessed while making tour of the palace, first chance in his life. He wondered who? Prince Siddhartha. Wandered for 7 years here and there. And finally sat down under a fig tree where he got enlightenment. Enlightenment means knowledge within 7 days. Enlightened knowledge came to him within 7 days. This is why that tree was renamed as Bodhi tree. Bodhi tree. It means tree of wisdom. After getting enlightenment, after getting knowledge, he began to teach, began to preach. Teach means preach. Preach means religious teaching. And shared his new understandings. At that point, he became known as the Buddha. While preaching from the point, a point from where he started to preach, he was known as Buddha. A Buddha means awakened or enlightened. Knowledge is means. Buddha preached his first sermon. Buddha preached his first preaching. Sermon means preaching at the city of Benares. This story has been taken from there. Benares, which is that is known most holy of the dipping places on the river Ganges. His preaching, his sermon, what was given has been preserved, has been kept safely, and is given, always given here. That sermon reflects the Buddha's wisdom about one inscrutable kind of suffering. Today it's enough. As in the class, you create question from the highlighted portion. On the screen, I am showing you highlighted portion. Please create maximum number of questions, write in your copy, then try to give proper answer. Thanks. Have a nice day.